1. Greeting. Good morning. Good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, have a nice day. You too. 2. Meeting someone. Hi, what's your name? My name is Rahul. What's your name? I'm Priya, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. 3. At home. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Let's have lunch. Great idea, thank you. 4. At a shop. How much is this bag? It's 500 rupees. That's nice, I'll take it. Thank you. 5. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Of course, what do you need? Where is the bus stop? It's across the road. 6. At school. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I did. Can I see it? Sure. 7. Talking about the weather. It's raining today. Yes, don't forget your umbrella. Thanks for reminding me. You're welcome. 8. Making plans. Are you free this evening? Yes, I am. Let's go for a walk. Sounds great. 9. At a restaurant. What would you like to eat? I'd like a pizza, please. Anything to drink? A glass of juice, please. 10. Saying goodbye. I have to go now. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you, take care. Bye, have a nice day.